Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we predict the next candlestick by using the candlestick psychology. So here I have taken my trade in up direction and I will definitely win my trade here. So why? Okay, let me take another trade here. Okay, I am late here. Yes, I am late here, but no issues. The candle must go up and it will close as a bullish candlestick for sure. So why I took this trade? The first trade, you can see here, this is the level, and I can see the candle which is a spinning top. It is a sign of continuation, so therefore I took my trade here. And the next candle will also close as a bullish. Let's see what happens. So this is my second trade and I am taking trades continuously, so this candle will also close as a bullish candlestick for sure. Let's see what happens. Okay, so here you can see that the candle closed as a bullish candlestick. And okay, sorry, I went for a bit work, so again I'm back. So let's see what's going on in the market. So I can confidently go from this point with the buyers. Okay, although I am late and I haven't analyzed the market, but I know I will win this trade. The candle must close below my entry point. Even it closes as a red, but it will close above my entry point. Let's see what happens here. So let's see what happens here. I will definitely win my trade. You can see the candle is going up, and this is my second trade. Why I took my trade, let me show you why. Because you can see here the sellers are here, so because of this gap the candle went up and it closed as a bullish. So let me analyze the market again. Okay, I am late, but again the candle will go up and it will close as a bullish for sure, because I am seeing that the sellers are here right now and the sellers are here. So because of this big gap, this long leg spinning top will work as a sign of continuation. So you can see the candle is going up and it will close as a bullish for sure. Okay, I won my trade here too. Okay, so here I won my third trade, and let's analyze the market again. The candle is right now moving in a seller's territory, so let's see what happens here. Yes, this is the seller's area. This whole area is the seller's area. Let me see what happens here. Okay, I can go with the sellers. So this candle can make evening star pattern. I am late here, but I know the candle will close as a bearish. Okay, this weakness of the candle is not the weakness of seller, it is a sign of that the sellers are entered in the market, and the candle will go down and it will close as a bearish. You will see here. Okay, I have 17 seconds left, but I know the candle will come down and it will close as a bearish candlestick. So let's see. It has to come down and it has to close as a bearish for sure. Yes. Okay, I won my trade here. So this was my fourth trade and I am winning all my trades consecutively, and whenever I start trading I am winning here. So this is the thing that how you can do your trades and how you can analyze the market. So analysis of market is not hard, but only you need to learn and you need to get the idea what we need to do. So because of all these things, you saw that I took 4 trades and I won all my trades here. So if there is OTC market and if there is any normal market, you can easily win. Candlestick psychology always remains the same in both situations, in OTC and also in normal market. So because of that, I am winning my trades. So I can predict each and every candle. So I need you all to give attention, and I know that you all will win the trades. So what we have seen throughout our learning, people talk about trend, okay, I understand. People talk about levels, okay. People talk about buyers and sellers area, okay. Buyers and sellers area. They talk about the round numbers, okay. So these are all the parts of trading, but so also I have seen that they talk about pattern. So the patterns and each and everything will work only if you know the hidden points, you know the main hidden points, and it will take little time, but when you understand these hidden points, so there is no possibility that you will lose the money. In this situation where I am trading right now, I am not focusing even a single thing, not the trend, not the round number, neither the rejection, neither the pattern. I am just following the hidden psychology of candles. So because of that, I am getting more and more trades. My winning ratio is increased almost 200% after doing this. So my request is one, that you all need to focus on the things that we need to do. If you analyze the market wrong, you will get an OTM. We always think that okay, market is moving like this candle will go up, but suddenly candle comes down and we lost our trade here, because this is not because of market. Our analysis are wrong here. So I'm not focusing any kind of rejection, I'm not focusing any kind of strongness. I'm not. Here you can see that a very strong candle, and I took one trade here and I won on this candle, because I know that this strong candle is not a sign of reversal, it will continue the market. So I will tell you all these things step by step. So this is how can we do trades, and if you like the video, kindly share, subscribe, and like the videos. So stay blessed, you all have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye.